Hi and back everyone to HandSkill. In this video I am going to show you the simple and easy way to make decorative wall plates. First decide the wall where you want to decorate with plates and have a basic idea of how many plates you might need. Here I am using disposable 7-inch round plates. If needed, check for this product link in description box below. And in this craft I totally used 7 plates. These plates are lightweight and easy to replace. For first plate, just apply orange acrylic paint only on the base and leave the edges as it is. And for second plate, I just mix white and orange acrylic to get a lighter shade of orange and then apply it on plate. We get 2 shades of orange plates, and for next 2 plates I am using the same method with pink acrylic, that is paint one plate with pink acrylic and other with lighter shade of pink acrylic. And for next 2 plates I am using yellow acrylic and lighter shade of yellow acrylic. Totally we painted 6 plates, and now just start drawing any simple freehand designs and codes of your choice on the plates. I painted only simple designs in this craft, and if you are beginners, first draw with pencil on the plate and then paint over it. this last 7th plate, I draw a bird and paint with vibrant colors to make the wall more attractive. As we used lightweight plates, a good double-side tape is enough to hang it on wall. I hope you guys like this idea of decorating your wall with DIY decorative wall plates. Do share this DIY with your family and friends if possible. If you like this channel, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.